Well, hello, beautiful people. In today's video, you guys, we are going to be doing a patio transformation, a refresh, all of the things, you guys. If you want to see how this back patio gets turned into our calm oasis, then definitely keep on watching. Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey, y'all. So today's vlog, you guys, is going to be a backyard patio transformation, and as y'all can see, this patio looks horrible, looks horrendous. And so let's get into it. We are going to do a full 180 on this patio. So first things first, with the patio, I am going to go ahead and just clear everything off. I'm going to start by taking everything into the house. Y'all, it's just quicker to get to the garage this way. It was no sense in me going all the way around the house to get into the garage. And so I'm just stacking everything up in the house, and then I'm going to put everything in the garage like in a one trip situation, and just because it will be a lot easier. So now that the patio is all nice and clean, as far as being cleared off with the bikes and all those things, I'm going to go ahead and use our pressure washer. And so that way I can go ahead and get the patio cleaned off, as well as clean the windows, the doors, anything that I see where there's like dirt or whatever. I just want to go ahead and get it clean, and so we can have everything as a clean slate. I was for us. You do the math. All right, y'all. So y'all know I love a good corny joke, and I decided I'm going to start incorporating those in my vlogs. So here's one for you guys. Why don't eggs tell jokes? Do you know why? Because they might crack up. Y'all, don't leave. I thought it was a super corny joke and super funny. What are some of your favorite corny jokes?
Yeah, I'm gonna make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please.
So while the patio is drying, I'm going to go ahead and start putting together the patio furniture. I got all of this from off of Amazon, and I'll have it linked in my Amazon store, and that will be listed in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I got the 4-piece patio set plus the pillows, the rug, as well as the pillowcases for outside. And all of this was super affordable, you guys. I was able to do my front patio and the back patio for $500. I think my total was $508, which is a steal. And so here I'm just going ahead and doing an unboxing. And y'all, I thought I was going to be able to do this all by myself, but I was not. And so I solicited Joe's help. And so that way we could get this knocked out in a timely manner. So one thing that I like to do when I'm putting together any furniture is I like to go ahead and literally have everything laid out alphabetically. And so if the pieces start from A to F, I like to have them all lined up A to F. And so that way it's easier for anyone to go grab anything if I need help. And so if you are putting together furniture pieces that do have alphabets or different pieces, I definitely suggest that you do the same. It saves so much time and energy when it comes time to put things together.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Now, as y'all can see, the boss baby is here. And Nora is here trying to tell us what we need to do to make sure that the patio furniture is put together correctly. And she thinks that she's doing something, but she's really just bossing us around. Pretty much that's all she does. If y'all didn't know, summer is my favorite season. It could be because I was born in the summer, but y'all, I love the summer. Let me know down in the comments below some things that you guys are doing this summer for your family, whether it's having a staycation or going to the beach. Let me know down in the comments below.
What is that sound?
That's the concept. Concept is get the screw in the hole.
Good job, Nora.
Hey, y'all.
Say hey, Nora.
Hey, I'm busy doing work.
Hey, it's good at this.
You will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
So our patio rug came in this cute little bag, which I love because once let's just say we want to, swap it out for something else, we can put this back in this bag for storage. And so since the patio is all nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down so that way we can go ahead and start bringing the furniture out. And this rug came from Amazon. Like I said, I will have all of this linked in my Amazon store, and I will have that link in the description box below.
Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Never understand the things that we want.
So while getting this table piece all set up, my fingerprints are on here, Nora's fingerprints are on here, so I decided it was best to give this a good wipe down before we actually entertain guests and things of that nature. So just wiping this down with some Windex, and then once I finish with this, we're gonna go ahead and start bringing out the sofa so we can get this patio completed.
No more. My love is lost. Well, there's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. the past. Don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any of it real?
All right, y'all. So let me give you a quick rundown of where everything came from. And so this patio set, like I mentioned, it is from Amazon. And these two pillow cases, as well as the inserts, those also came from Amazon. Y'all, it was a good deal on those. This pot right here is just a terracotta clay pot that I've gotten from Lowe's, and I just spray painted that black, and then I'll probably add like a W or something on there with some vinyl. The plants on the inside of this are citronella and peppermint, which helps with the mosquitoes. That citronella candle we had left over from our old house. And this rug as well came from Amazon. It was a steal. Like I said, everything will be linked in my description box. So that way, if you guys are interested, you can purchase it as well. Now moving on, this Majesty Palm I got. I'm still thinking of a name for her, but I got this from Lowe's, and as well as the pot. I did not spray paint the pot, but that's the pot that we have. But yeah, you guys, that is what we're looking like for this backyard transformation. I love it. We are going to be making some more updates to this, so stay tuned because I'm going to definitely show you guys all the things that we're doing. But that's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye.